Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Jonard Tools RST-8514 riser slitting tool, a precision mid-span slitter designed to make clean access windows in round fiber optic riser cables without damaging the delicate fiber inside. The RST-8514 is built specifically to slit or shave a longitudinal access window into round FTTH riser cables and microducts, making it easier to work mid-span without cutting or scoring the fiber itself. It handles cable diameters between roughly 8 to 14 millimeters, ideal for most standard riser installs. Here are some key features. Lightweight and compact design. Its narrow body lets you access the cables that are closely spaced or surface mounted in tight conduits or raceways. High carbon steel blade. The sharp blade slices cleanly through the cable jacket and riser sheath without damaging the fibers inside. Factory fixed setup. No need to adjust the blade for different cable diameters. It's ready to go right out of the box. Replaceable blades. When the blade eventually dulls, you can swap it out easily with the RST-RB25, replacement blades sold separately. If you're a telecommunications installer, fiber tech, or even a contractor who needs reliable mid-span access without risking core damage, this little tool is a real time saver in the field. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.